Good YouTube, it's your boy Mal, coming back with another video. Hey man, say man, look y'all, what I need y'all to do right now is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, double upload every single day. So make sure you tune in, bro. Make sure you turn on the bell. If y'all got any questions, comment in the comment section or just hit me up on IG. All of my social medias are right here and also in the link in the description. Scroll down in the description, click the link. There go my IG. Let's get straight into the video. All right, so look, bro. I already filled up one of my water bottles with water, right? So if you haven't already, make sure you go check out that Sally's vlog. It's the video right before this one. Make sure y'all go check that one out. We picked up two water bottle things. Feel me? Spray. Again, we got the name Black Seed Oil, man. Yes, sir. So that's what we'll be applying to our hair today. I seen like some videos. I seen like a little videos. Now look, bro, this is my first time in like a year that I personally have put oil in my hair. I've had like salon people put oil in my hair, hot oil treatments in my hair, so like my hair is not fucked up, like not hella fucked up, you get what I'm saying? But it's fucked up to the point where it's like, nigga, you be out in the sun a lot, so you be, you know what I'm saying, you be gaining energy from the sun, so you need to put some oil in your hair. You need to add some water too, cause just the shower don't work, right? I'm saying twisting shit like a dumbass. Ain't nobody gonna tell me that it's already open, all you gotta do is twist it. I thought that was the time. I watched some videos about it, but hey man, it's trial and error, man. This is the dread journey. This is part of the dread journey. A lot of y'all be like, oh man, I'll cut your hair off and restart your dread journey so I can do it. No, I'm not doing that. Look, watch my videos, bro. Gain the knowledge that I give to y'all. Gain the knowledge that I give to y'all from my experience. Y'all don't even gotta catch up. Y'all can do this shit with me, bro. Put oil in your hair with me, bro. I'm low key. Alright, what the fuck? God damn, this bit like a goddamn safety. This goddamn spray got a safety. God damn. Let's just wait the hell out of my shit. Hey, bro, I don't like this, bitch. I ain't even in the shower, bitch. You gotta stop, bitch. Hey, man. Hey, man. Say, man. Hey, now that I'm thinking about it, you know what I'm saying? Now that I'm just thinking about all this type of stuff, bro, maybe your dreads really do need, like, to be moisturized, need water and stuff like that, bro. Because you got to think about it. I'm saying, like, more regularly than I have been doing it. I'm not saying period. I know they need moisture, period. Your phone always want attention, bro. Bro, tell me why. Like, for some odd reason, you end up with your phone in your hand, like, every hour. You can't go an hour. You can't go an hour without your phone. How much you want to bet? How much you want to... I mean, we can bet a light. My dreads, they damp. They're a little damp. I'm not trying to make them too damp. So, you already know what time it is now, man. It's the Black Seed Oil. And hold on, wait a minute. Hey, bro, if I'm doing this wrong, tell me in the comment section, bro. Like, y'all be thinking like a nigga that goddamn G this shit. Nah, nigga, I'm learning like y'all. I don't know if I'm supposed to go in for round 2 or what. I'ma just massage my scalp with this one. Hold on now, nigga ain't that stupid. Nigga do be watching videos now, you know what I'm saying? Hold on now. Hold on, I know a little song, don't I? I know a little song, goddamn. I ain't out here feeling y'all. They're like, damn, man, you feeling me? Nah, nigga ain't out here feeling y'all, nigga. I'm learning. I can tell, like, my hair is moisturized because when it hangs down a lot, my hair really looks, I ain't gonna cap, it do be looking stiff sometimes, no cap. But I can tell it's kind of moisturized now, just off of the fact, so. Just with the oil still in my hand, bro, I'm going over some dreadlocks. And like I said, but I'm not trying to make it too fucking wet where nigga I still got fucking it's so wet, nigga, I got mold in my hair. Hell no. My head feels heavier, no cap. I can feel the difference. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But that shit feel good though. It do feel good, like not having, that shit feel good. That shit kinda look good too though. Hold on. Hey bro. Hey, just from the outer perspective, man. Do my comment in the comment section down below. Do my hair look better? Like, you know what I'm saying? Do it look, it feel a little heavier, but at the same time, it looks more healthier in the mirror. It got like, it looked like hair. You know what I'm saying? I can see the difference now. I can see the difference, and I'm glad that y'all told me that I need to moisturize my shit. My shit was dry as fuck. I understand now. You know what I'm saying? But bro, like I be telling y'all, bro, like, don't be acting like a nigga know everything. I know I don't know everything, bro. That's why I be coming to y'all and being like, yo, like, comment in the comment section how y'all feel about this, how y'all feel about that, and y'all comment. And sometimes I be doing my research. You get what I'm saying? So at the same time, I'm already knowing half of the stuff. So all I did today was I sprayed it down with some water, right quick. I sprayed my hair, sprayed my hair, sprayed my hair. Then we used the black seed oil and aloe, however y'all niggas be pronouncing this shit. God damn. A nigga ain't never seen that shit until he started fucking with her. But nah, man. I feel like that's pretty good. This stimulating hair. I wonder, could this be for your face too? Oh hell nah. Avoid using your eyes or, I don't know about that one. I don't know, my G. But hope y'all enjoyed this. One more time, this shit probably just, I mess with it. I really do mess with it. You know what I'm saying? I mess with it, bro. It feels more natural, no cap, and it's less pulley. Like I was telling y'all niggas, bro, when I was sleeping on my pillow, it kind of felt like the hair was kind of tugging. You know what I'm saying? So, hey man, we learning a lot more stuff about our hair, bro. Sooner or later, we gonna be retwisting. That bitch ain't gonna be too exciting, but we're gonna be retwisting and we're gonna be putting it in a 2-strand twist, and we're gonna get better at that too. So we're gonna do everything. You know what I'm saying? Like I always tell y'all, bro. Like I keep trying to tell y'all, daily double uploads. So make sure you stay tuned for those. Comment in the comment section down below any questions. Hit me up on my Instagram, link in the description down below. I'm gonna catch y'all for later. Peace.